Introducing the kblox 3D Tinker Kit, a creative and hands-on way to bring your imagination to life, one layer at a time. With this kit, you can design superhero masks, keychain, greeting cards, mini robots, and so much more, all in 3D. First up, we have the user manual, your step-by-step guide to getting started, filled with fun projects and simple instructions to make 3D designing easy and exciting. Next, explore a variety of pre-designed templates, from superhero masks, DIY greeting cards, keychains, and many more. These templates act as the perfect canvas to help you trace and shape your 3D creations. Now let's check out the filaments. These are like the ink for your 3D pen, used to bring your designs to life. Just load a filament and get ready to create. Here we have Fevicol for assembling parts when needed and a 3D pen stand to hold your pen safely while you work. And now the star of the kit, the 3D pen. Just like the Magic Pen from Shakalaka Boom Boom, it features easy-to-use buttons, a small display screen, and a comfortable grip to help you draw in the air. The adapter is included to power up your 3D pen. Just plug it in, wait a few seconds, and you're all set to begin your journey into 3D art. Inside the resource box, you'll find helpful materials like elastic threads for wearable designs like superhero masks, and more tools to make your creations strong and functional. And then we have a handy tweezer, perfect for working with small pieces or adjusting filament safely. Let's bring our first project to life. Place a template like a superhero mask, DIY robot, windmill, or mini car and start tracing with the 3D pen. Watch your design take shape right in front of your eyes. With the kblox 3D Tinker Kit, the only limit is your imagination. Explore creativity, build real 3D models, and have fun while learning. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn for more exciting project ideas, student showcases, and creative challenges.